Another year, another chin chin. Do you guys like my makeup? I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. See my mom, my baby. I'm not a single babe. No more kids. See the owner of the children there. So I was just saying that there's nothing. Oh my god, such a loud noise. I was just saying that there's nothing a fine makeup, lashes, and a nice packed hair cannot fix. Like if you think your clothes is ugly, just try putting on makeup and you're gonna feel it. Hi guys, Merry Christmas! So it's Christmas Day over here at my mom's house, and my mom is making her special egusi soup. You can see she just fried the palm oil with onion, and then she poured in the egusi. She mixed the egusi in water and then added it into the pot. And you can see that it is already taking in. It's looking like the regular egusi, you know. And I was wondering what kind of style is this. She told me that this is a recent style that she has discovered. You guys, let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried this method before. See how it's looking. See, that's my mom's hand though, no be me. Me, I just a video. And this is what the soup is beginning to look like. I think we just added stock and some orishirishi. And now we're adding vegetables, ugu and what's that other one? Uziza leaves into it, and some onion, and our egusi is ready. Then we proceeded to pound some yam. I pounded a little before you guys start judging me. I pounded a little, then went to sit down and started to video the whole activity. And you guys, that's me. Did you guys just see that meat and fish stuff that I just showed you guys? It's so bougie, so fancy, so nice, so lovely. A very nice concept. Like eatery. Did I see that eatery? You want it? What do you guys think? You guys should share with me in the comment section what you think, and I'll see you guys. No need shortcut. My main madam on my back, enjoying herself. You guys are going to be sick of me. You're going to be sick of this makeup today. Makeup. Oh, it's Christmas Day. We're going for housewarming.
and there's no taxi, no keke, so we'll be using a taxi.
So on this day, I had this delicious meal, right? And then we decided to take a family photo, to just remember this day and celebrate ourselves. Then my friend took us to this birthday party that was holding, somewhere in the area, not in the area, in another area. And you guys do not believe that my baby did not face paint her face. Do you know the funny thing? Immediately we came in, right? I was like, is it safe to face paint children's face with markers and all of that? And then funny thing, the girl did not even want to. That's it all. And do you know that this girl also refused to join them in the bouncing castle? She was too scared. In fact, I forcefully put her in. And if you see the shout, then again, guys, I noticed something. Like, do your children pick your thoughts? You guys should let me know in the comment section if your kids pick your thoughts, because sometimes I'll just be thinking of something, and the next thing my daughter is talking about the same thing, and I'm like, how did you know that I was thinking in this direction? Well, this is my friend Faye, the one that put us out of the house, and this is my girl singing "How are you, my friend?" She had so much fun. I think this would be okay. No, it's not her first time in the birthday party, and she was trying this cotton candy for the first time. She liked it, but at first, see her face. She liked it though. Well, at first she was like, she went for the second round, and we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. So on our way home, we saw this beautiful decoration. It was so nice, guys. I mean, like, the camera is not even doing justice to the whole thing, right? It was so, so, so beautiful. And I thought, let me share with my people so you guys can see some beautiful things. That thing you're seeing like a door is all decor. Is all decor, like light decor. Nothing. As in, it's so nice. I think even the crown up there that you're seeing, it's all decor. Really nice. Really, really nice. The person that did this, they really gave it its time. So Ife met Chimamanda and Karisam Chukwu, and they had so much fun. They were playing with this, what's it called, aeroplane. We were planning to go to the market, so Faye had to come drop her kids over at my place for grandma to watch them while we headed out. I went out with Tolu, of course, but these ones stayed at home. I didn't get to capture that whole activity and experience with you guys. Guys, it was the next day and we're already giving goodbye hugs. If you're saying goodbye to grandpa and everybody, grandma and everyone. It was so, I don't know. It was just time to leave. We had to leave, and this is Ife and grandma. If you're wondering why everybody is dressed like this, the weather is extremely cold, like just it's cold. Plus, in case you're planning to travel to just this period, heads up, the weather is cold. Brothers and sisters, wear your sweater. Wear your sweater. Wear your sweater. It is cold, oh. It is cold in Jos. Like, it's almost as cold as Kano anyway, at this point. On our way to Kano. You guys, so I just finished filming the New Year video. Today's first of January. Today's 1st of January 2023, and Happy New Year! If you have not seen that New Year message, go check it out. I just shared with you guys basically what I feel that God is saying, God is doing in this year 2023, and I'm very excited, honestly. You know, the year 2022 started for me as if nothing was going to happen, as if God's word was not going to be fulfilled, and I'm really grateful to God, because even though, you know, the miracle came to me as in a way I did not expect it to be, but I thank God because towards the middle of the year, you know, everything started to make sense. You know, I had more peace, I was more comfortable, you know, and all of that. And I thank God for that. And share with me in the comment section, you know, what you feel the year is going to be like for you, what you're expecting, you know, and, you know, generally what you have been doing with yourself this year. Guys, I don't know if you've noticed a change in my sound. I'm very excited. See, I bought a microphone like 2 years ago, and I've kept that microphone. The time I bought my about the time I bought my ring light was when I got the microphone, and I bought the first one, it didn't work with my phone, so I had to return it. Then I got another one. Then this time around, this one did not work with my phone, and this one is both camera and cell phone. So I'm just like, I mean, let me just consider to release videos. Like some of the sit down videos I'm going to share with you guys. The video sound might not be so good, but then, you know, I'm excited I'm able to start using this sound. I watched a video by Jubilee Efosa. If you're watching this, I'm sorry if I murdered your name. But that was the video that helped me to fix up this sound, guys. And I am really, really excited. Let me show you guys what the rope looks like. Can you see? So this is the microphone. This is what it looks like. Let me show you the rope. It's really, really long. See? Can you see? All of this. I know that this is the age of wireless mic and all of that, but I'm glad that at least I almost bought that wireless mic. I almost made the order, but then something just kept stopping me. Until I stumbled upon that video, and thank God I did, because it makes sense. The wireless mic, I've been seeing some videos on YouTube about wireless mic. Some people are saying that the wireless mic is like 3-5, and then when I go and ask for the wireless mic, they're telling me 11, 13K, 15K. I'm like, is it the same mic? Let me know in the comment section. Is it the same? I mean, the mics are different, because I don't understand why their own is 3-5 and this one is telling me 15,000, 11,000. Anyway, guys, that's it, for this video. Today is New Year. We didn't really do much. We just went to church, came back home, ate rice, and filming this video today. It's actually 10 p.m. Let me show you guys the time. See, this is my brother's phone. Can you guys see? Can you see the time? Can you see the time? 10:19 p.m. I've been trying to film this video since maybe 8 o'clock. If my baby is not crying, if it's crying, if this one is not doing this, that one is doing that. I just said, okay, finally, let me just let them sleep before I do this video, and thank God I did. So now I'm going to be editing this New Year video and putting it out immediately. If you have not seen any of my videos, recent videos, go and check it out, okay? Go watch it. If you're seeing this video before my birthday, please share this content with your friend and get at least one person to subscribe to my channel. I want to hit 1K subscribers before my birthday. I don't know how realistic that is. If it doesn't happen, no problem, but just do something for me, okay? Just something. Happy New Year. Nice, my dimple. That's my dimple.